Hey guys, how's it going? Today's video I'm concentrating on setting up the sub counter for YouTube on live streams. It's a live ticker, so when people sub then the counter goes up. If people unsub then the counter will go down. The problem was before that you couldn't change the colour of the numbers, so it was black. It was always black and you couldn't change them. It was a bit difficult to change the background as well, which I managed to do with a bit of a chroma key, and I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this now. What you will see there, you'll see a little outline. I actually created two. You can see I created one. I created different colours because I was going to make it flash, but I ended up having to use auto key trackers and auto key clickers, sorry, to do that, and it interfered with the game. It caused ghosting on the game, so I've disabled that for now. I'm just keeping it that colour for now, but even changing the colour from the standard black is a big improvement. So I'll show you guys how to do that now. So what you do, you need to go to a website called Socialblade. I'll leave it in the link in the description. And then when you arrive at Socialblade, just enter in the search box here your username on YouTube. Mine's Sinfajin. There we go, it's already there. Now when you come down, you go to live subscriber count. Now there's your live subscriber there. What you need to do is grab this URL from here, then go to OBS. What I'll do for now, I'll switch this one off, switch these off, make sure that they're not on. So you go to OBS and you create a new source, new browser, sorry. Click that, we'll call this sub count, I'll call it sub count 3. You call that whatever you want to call it. In this URL box, you will paste the URL that we just copied them from Socialblade. So we'll paste that in there, and for now I'll just save that. As you can see there, it all looks funny. The numbers are over there. There's no way you could even crop that to make it work. So what I had to do was create a bit of code. I did have to root around on Socialblade inside of their code to find the elements. So I hope you guys appreciate the work that I did put into hunting down this code within a Socialblade website. And yeah, so the code I will put in the description for you. So I will just copy it from here for now, because there's a bit of it and it'll take me a bit to type it out. So I'll copy it from there, and then we'll go back to the sub count 3, and I'll paste the code into there. Now at the top you will see the colour there. I've got, well, it's like a orangey red colour. It's FF4000. So whatever colour you want to change it to, it's up to you. Make your own colour up, whatever you want. Go and find one in Google and just search for the hash code, and there you go. So you put your colour in there. Make sure you keep that important in there, otherwise it won't work. So I've done that. Let's see how it comes now. Now you can see it's green. You can see there it's green. What we first need to do though is cut off all of this white. So to do this, we hold the Alt key and then drag the bars in using the left mouse button. This is to crop what we've got at the moment. Oops. Make sure you hold the Alt first. I've done it again. There you go. Now as you can see, the colour is like the orangey colour there that I said. I'll change that to show you in a minute. We can make that bigger or smaller, whatever we want. But you will notice the background is green. So now what we need to do is go back down here to your sources and right click on the source and then click filters. Now from here we will add a chroma key. As soon as you add that chroma key, because it's set on green and I've created the background in the CSS to show as green, then it has now removed the background. As you can see, there's a little bit showing there. We'll use the Alt key for that and just trim that off. We'll move that back up there. That's a little bit bigger than the one I had originally. Oh, sorry, I use the Alt key then. So just normally make it smaller and bigger, and that just don't use the Alt key. Alt key is only for cropping. So there we can see the 928 subs. And all we do with this chroma key is close that. And I'll just show that on full screen. As you can see there, it shows the 928 subs. And that is how we change the colours. I'll just make another colour for you as well, just to show you that it is actually from this FF4000 there. I will change it to, I'll change it to white, shall I? There you go. You see there, it's white now. I'm gonna put it back though. I do like it with the YouTube there. It looks, I think the red and orange, reddy orange colour looks decent. And there you have it. Okay, I hope you liked the video. If you did, then remember, hit the thumbs up button down below. Also, if you want to see more of these videos, or you just want to come and chill out while I'm streaming, welcome. Just hit that sub button and the notification bell icon that's next to it. Until next time guys, take care.